Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to start life on BitLife. Now if you want to start a new life as female on BitLife, but you have already chosen male while creating the account, then you need to simply open BitLife on a device again. So it will take some time as this is the landing page of that. So after that it takes you to your old page where you'll see your old account, your bank balance, your age and all. But if you want to start with a new life, then click on the three straight lines at the very top left, and at the very top you will see the option of new life as cat, new life as dog. So you may choose the option. If you want to start as a cat, then you may choose the option of new life as cat. If you want to start as dog, then you may choose the option of new life as dog. So if you want to start a new life as a man in the game, then you need to click on the option of new life, start a new life. And it says you may start Kylie's life, start with 1 million. So you'll also see the name, gender, country, place, your specialist. You may also select a special talent if you want to select it right now, but to do you need to simply purchase the god mode option. So you may click on the option of start Kylie's life or the name given on your screen. So as you can see, I have changed it to someone else. As you can see, the name has been changed and it shows the description, and also tells the description that I was born a female in Dallas, United States. I was convicted on a camping trip and all. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.